Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. If you watched our last video, we got the radiator all switched out on my grandparents' 2012 Nissan Murano. What we didn't realize at the time was that the cable for the hood release slipped off in the process. And when we tried to close the hood and reopen it, it wouldn't. So my grandfather found a way to get it open without doing any harm to the grill or the original hood latch. And in today's video, I'm going to teach y'all how to do it if you ever find yourself in this situation. Welcome to Fixin Two Extras. Okay, so you're going to need two things for this operation. You're going to need a screwdriver about a foot long, a link in the description for those of you who don't have one, and here's what it looks like. And you'll need a decent flashlight. Okay, so what you do is if you look here, or what happened is if you look there, there's a tiny, that little slit, that little U-shaped thing right there. A cable goes through that and then goes onto that latch right there. Okay, and so while we were reinstalling it, it unhooked itself and we couldn't open it. So my grandfather found a way to get to it without doing any harm to the grill or anything else. So if you turn this around, actually I'll just show you here. If you grab that little latch right there, just right here, and if you pull it, it's kind of hard to pull. It releases this right there. Unzoom. It releases that right there. And if you turn it around and you pull on that, if you look right there, it releases that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your flathead screwdriver that's about a foot long, and you stick it through the left side of the grill, and you kind of fish around till you get it like that. And what you want to do is you want to either take your hand or a hammer and you want to smack it as hard as you can because it's pretty hard to push. And then when you do that, it should in theory fly open. It takes a couple tries before it comes loose. Here's a video of my grandfather doing it.
Got it?
So once you get the cable put back through the little thing right here and then into the clip, it's kind of hard to see because it's all black. Put it back in, have someone in the car pull the handle, see if it's, doing that, and if it is, take your chances, close the hood and see if it works. Of course this is for if the cable has slipped off and if it won't open, if it feels loose when you're pulling the handle. If you have other problems with it, like, if something's like broken, you should use what we have told you to get it off to maybe buy another one or fix it. But, yeah, if y'all have found yourself in this situation and you need help, I hope this video was helpful to y'all, and like, subscribe, and I guess we'll see you in the next one.